let's take a moment of silence. Because I have over 500 subscribers. Thank y'all. Hey beauties, I am back with another video. This one's gonna be about shapewear. Now, I am not a shapewear girl that much now, but I was forever. But before I begin, before I do all this all the shapewear, because I got quite a bit, I would like to come and say thank y'all, thank y'all, thank y'all. I have gotten to 500 subscribers, over 500 subscribers now, so thank you, you guys are the bomb. I swear to goodness, you're the bomb. Now make sure my little part still looking right. If you're new, if you are new, hello, my name is Robin. Hit the subscribe button if it is something that you think that you may be interested in. I would really appreciate it. But I just wanted to say thank y'all guys. Thank y'all so much. So I'm not going to do too much rambling with this intro. On with the shapewear. Oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. All right. Okay, so before I start, I'm gonna let y'all see how I look without shapewear. And I particularly picked a yellow dress because it's not forgiving for anything, you know, you can see everything. So y'all check out how I look without shapewear on. All right, so my first up. Now, before I start, if you guys are looking for high-end shapewear, this is not the video for you because I barely wear shapewear now. I wasn't gonna do this video until I got a couple more because I had a couple coming from Torrid that I really wanted to try. But I was like, forget it. Since I don't wear it that often now, why am I waiting? So I'm gonna show y'all some affordable shapewear that you can get, and it lasts a pretty decent amount of time. Now, the first one that I have, I used to wear shapewear. I used to be a size 22/size 24 for a long time. And these right here that I got these from Wal-Mart. Now you can see it got the snaps and they have the boning. If you can see, they have the boning in it. That's what it's called. And then, you know, it has like the clasps where the snaps where you can snap it down. Well, this one right here was my go-to shapewear. I mean, you probably could see a little bit of the stretch. Look, I got a hole right here because I used to wear these guys. I used to go get them constantly, and forgive me if I don't know exactly the prices, but I'm going to try to remember because I kind of got an elephant brain. I brought these so long ago and they're still kind of intact except for that little one hole right here. But I'm gonna put the probably right here on the screen, put the prices and the size to these if I remember, but I think I can. I think I got it. I'm not certain, but forgive me if I don't. But these I got from Walmart. I'm still rambling. Okay, I got these from Walmart. Once again, it's, you know, it got the penny type look. And these right here, I do believe these were 2X, yes. And I used to buy these often, all the time. And these were my go-to. I used to wear shapewear constantly, like almost daily. And these were my go-to. And they pull you in, suck you in, and do the trick. And they're like $13. Well, back in the day, they were $13, but I don't know how much they are now. But these right here are good, and they're still intact. I don't wear pennies kind anymore because it gives me a little bit more bunch. This is what I wear from there. That's what I used to wear. I don't wear like nothing to restrict me, hold me in too much anymore. This right here, these right here is what I wear. These are a pair of tights that I picked up at Ross, and they're just basic little tights. and you probably could see through. I don't know. Yeah, you can see my hands through here. They're not that restricted. I basically wear these because where I'm from in Louisiana is hot, it's humid. If I'm wearing a dress, I have to have something under my dress because sweat. If not, my legs would sweat and I would get the chub rub, and I ain't for that. So I put these on, and you're going to see in the try-on portion that they really basically kind of smooth you out a little bit. They don't suck too much anything, but it just kind of smooths you out. And this is what I wear. This is my go-to, I guess, shapewear is tights. So that's that. Now I'm gonna run through this very quickly because I kind of got a lot and a little bit of time to try to do this. So next one I have, let me see, what I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna go with these right here. These, now you're gonna see that I have a lot, and as you can see, my body don't look like they're getting these things, but I have a lot of shorts. This is my go-to type of shapewear. I love the shorts. Before, I didn't mind wearing the ones that look like the underwear, but after I lost weight, maybe I had to do a story time with y'all. I used to be like a size 24, and then I stepped on the scale and realized I pretty much lost my mind, and I started losing weight. But that'll probably be in the story time. Before I lost weight, my legs was chubby, my stomach was chubby, so when I had the panties, the gap between the leg and the stomach, it didn't make a big difference, so you couldn't see the lining of the panty. But now that I lost weight and I built muscle in my legs much smoother, and then I had the lower bottom part that I hate so much from having kids. And if you had kids, you understand my pain, especially the C-section when they rip the muscles. Well, my bottom stomach has more fat than the part of my leg, and so you'll see the bunch. Even though you'll see it, I'm pretty sure you saw it already when I tried it on. But so this is why I get only the pants, or the shorts, not the pants. And this one right here, I got from Burlington. It was in the size large. I, at the time, was looking for, you know, you don't want to get something too small for you, because I'm telling you. But I couldn't wait. I went everywhere, and that was the only place I found a pair of pants that sucked me in, because I realized the pants was better with my lower stomach. I mean the shorts. And I brought these, and they have a big old long like waist right here, so it'll kind of smooth you out real good. But it rolls down, and it rolls down only because I brought it in a size large, and I know I have no business wearing a size large. So word of advice, don't get something too small for you, because you will have to roll. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to get the ones in Torrid, because they have the little rubber band on it. But they, you know, I just went ahead and did this. But I can do an update video of more of a, maybe a higher end. I just don't want to pay $150 for shapewear, and I'm not going to wear it anyways, you know. I thought it was pointless, unless somebody's paying me to do it, you know. Okay, so the next one here, these, as you can see, probably the difference. Even though you probably say I just held these up, but no. If you can see kind of the difference. These back here are actually my size, and these are the ones that I brought from Burlington, size large. Now these right here, size 2X, in my size, they have the same kind of band, and yes, it's a short. I love these. It's nothing else I really could tell you except for I got these from Cato's, and these don't roll down as much because of, you know, they're more of my size. I go with these. These are my go-to. I go to when I really want to be snatched and sucked in. I always wear these right here. These pair right here. That's actually my size. I got them from Cato's. And I'm going to tell y'all right now, I went to Lane Bryant and I got some Spanx, and I thought I was the bomb. by getting some Spanx, and I paid about $40 for those Spanx, and I thought it was gonna cover my lower stomach, and let me tell you, it still fit the same as all these others, and I was so mad because I was like, I paid about $40, $35, $40, I don't know, for some shapewear that fit the same exact as the ones that you get at Cato's. Okay, so, and then they're cheaper, and I was like, for now I'm not doing that. So, my next one is this, it's just a shirt. So it has like the, you know, what are these? I don't know, the tank top-ish feel to it. And it's just a shirt, and it kind of lets out right here a little bit so it can fit around your thigh area. And this part right here is the restricted part. So it's kind of, you know, firm right there. I wear these sometimes because I want a whole bodysuit type with the shorts, and I can't find it. I seen it one time at Cato's, but then they sold out, I think. So I wanted an all-in-one, but I can't find it. So I went ahead and brought these, also this shirt right here from Cato's, and I wear it sometimes as an all-in-one when I really want to be snatched, and I wear it with those 2X pair. So I'll wear both of these and it look like it's a all-in-one. But I'm eventually going to find me an all-in-one, and I really want a good one. But like I said, I want to spend an arm and a leg for it. Okay, so I'm gonna move on to my what are these called? It's the kind of all-in-one, but this is the dress one, or it looks like a dress. Okay, so they have straps that go with these. I took the straps off, but there's straps that connects to this, and it has gives for your breasts, and it has give for your butt, and it's just a dress. And I got this. Where did I get this from? Excuse me. Where I got this from? I got this from Ross. Wow, I forgot. Well, I got it from Ross. This is size 2X, and I thought it was gonna just smooth out my lower belly. I was trying everything out, smooth out my lower belly. I almost thought about, you know, getting it cut off because I can't take it. I hate it. I was never born with, you know, a stomach, and after you have kids, I was like, I hate it. Everything else is losing. You can't predict where the fat is going to lose from, and that part wasn't. So I was getting so mad. So, you know, I was on a search for all kind of shapewear, and nothing was doing the trick for me. And it's not, I always feel like I was shaped differently. Like, I have a smaller waist, but then you see that little pouch, what Beyonce call it, a Fupa. I was like, that little part right there. Now, she ain't got one like me, but that little part, I call it a spare tire. I don't call it a Fupa. I call it a spare tire. And I was like, I always got this spare tire around me, and I was so mad. And I was like, I'm gonna get this mug chopped off, sucked out, something. But now I found something that I put on my stomach, and when I work out, so I'm trying to see if that really works before I bring it to y'all and show y'all. I mean, I told y'all about it. You know, it ain't nothing but, you know, something that you get from Wal-Mart. But I don't want nobody to go putting nothing on them and they say it don't work and come for me. Okay, so my next all-in-one is this one, and these are shorts, And the back looks like this, so you can see that it has like a no penny line type. I like this one. I do, because I kind of can get away without wearing a bra with this one. So this one's good. It doesn't have a real lot of give, but I mean, you know, restrictive, but it does do the trick. You can feel it right here. It got give in the breast area, so you see the difference. This one right here with the no penny line, I like that feel, but the only thing about it is that it rises up in my butt all the time. So if you have thick hips, big butt, whatever, you may have this problem. This one, they still have it. It's at Walmart. I brought it in a size 2X, I think. It was a size 2XL. Yep, a 2X. I don't really wear it that much, but when I do wear it, I wear it with like jeans and stuff. If I want it to, you know, my behind to be, you know, I want it to be smooth, but I want my waist to be snatched a little bit. So I wear these with jeans, not dress. I don't think I ever wore it with a dress, maybe a skirt. Okay, my last pair that I have, and these practically brand new and just be balled up in my closet, is these right here. Is the underwear, because I seen one plus size, I don't know her name, but she's on Instagram, and I seen her, and she said she doesn't use shapewear. She only wear these type of shapewear, which is the underwear that you get from Walmart. So I seen these at Burlington. There was like 2 for $8 or $10 like that, I think it was. And I brought it, and it had the wide waist and everything. I was like, okay, this might work. And as y'all gonna see in the try on portion, I don't really care for these either. And I don't care for anything penny, as I told y'all once before. So this is my last pair. Now, with these, out of everything that I have showed you guys, my go-to, if I had to pick, and it had to be a shapewear, and if I didn't have that too fat pocket, you know, my legs move, my fat pocket, it would be these, because forever these right here were my go-to, and they always smooth me out, and they form, I guess they kind of started forming my waist after I had my kids. This formed my waist back a little bit, because I always had that, and they didn't ride down as what you would have thought. If you get in your size, they don't ride down, and they don't have like the little piece to make it not rise down. But they stood up. I tucked all these, I tucked under my bra, but I tucked under my bra and just, you know, wore it with jeans, with skirt, with dress, with everything there was. But if you wanted to kind of smooth out, if you do have that problem like I do, your best friend would be to wear the shorts. That would be the best friend. And Cato's is the place to go if you want to find a decent plus size type shapewear. Okay, so if y'all heard that, that was my dog, y'all. I hope I was talking loud enough for you guys, because my air conditioner did pop on, and I ain't about to redo this video because there's a lot of work doing shapewear, putting those things on. Oh my gosh, I should get thumbs up for that. But I'm not gonna ramble anymore. I hope I did not make this video too long for you guys. If so, forgive me. I think that's it. So if you enjoyed this video, please y'all give it a thumbs up. Please share it, get it around, let me come up. If I come up, look here, y'all come up. But anyway, so I really hope you enjoyed this video. Forgive the personality, because sometimes it get bubbly too much, and that's just how I am. And I think that's it, y'all. So until next time, beauties, I want all you guys, all my wonderful, beautiful, bomb subscribers, to stay blessed. Bye, y'all.